This is the Japanese American Museum. And, that's the village.
We're here for Nisei Week.
Nisei Week, yeah. So I can see everything blocked off.
The last day of Nisei Week is my birthday.
That's open. Up here. Right there, look. Nisei Week right there.
Very similar.
This place has food and beer.
Let's go. Go on. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Which one do you like?
Me? I like this one right here.
No, thank you. That's your tree. Well, congratulations. That's beautiful.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And I got it from Peter T, who's a bonsai master up in Sacramento. And it has been a bonsai for about 22 years. And it was collected back in 2004.
That's beautiful.
Oh wow, okay.
We bring it over here, we bottle it in South Bay. This is still here, this is like
Alright, it's on video. Alright.